In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix product shows as sold out despite inventory in Shopify. If you've ever seen a product show sold out on your storefront, even though you know you have stock, the cause is usually tied to locations and fulfillment settings. Shopify can track inventory across multiple locations, but only locations set to fulfill online orders can actually make that stock available to your store. Let's walk through how to confirm what's happening and turn the right setting on so your product can sell again. First, sign into your Shopify Admin. From the main menu, go to Products. Open the product that's appearing as unavailable on your storefront. On the product page, look at the inventory details. You may notice that the product looks out of stock in one country or market, while another shows quantity available. Or you might see that all of your quantity is sitting in a specific location. This confirms the issue. The product isn't truly out of stock, it's just sitting in a location that isn't fulfilling online orders. Next, head to your admin settings. From there, open Locations. You'll see a list of all the places where you store inventory, such as a warehouse, a retail store, or a fulfillment center. Click the location that currently holds stock for the product you just checked. Inside that location settings, look for the option to fulfill orders with this location. Turn that on. This tells Shopify that inventory stored here can be used to fulfill online orders, which immediately makes that stock eligible to appear as available on your storefront. If you see a Save button, be sure to save your changes so they take effect. After enabling fulfillment for that location, go back to the product in your admin and give the storefront a quick refresh. In most cases, the sold out label will disappear and the Add to Cart button will reappear. If it doesn't update right away, wait a minute and refresh again, as caching can cause a short delay. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you use multiple locations, remember that only locations set to fulfill online orders can make their stock available to shoppers. Also, if you sell to customers in different countries, you may notice availability varies by market. That's normal, as long as the fulfilling location is enabled, as we just did. That's it. By ensuring the location with inventory is allowed to fulfill orders, you resolve the mismatch and get your product back in stock on your storefront.